Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Somerset County, northeastern Monmouth County, northeastern Middlesex County, until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bound Brook, or near Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth, Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Sayreville, Carteret, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Keansburg, Millstone, Colonia, Martinsville, Society Hill, North Brunswick Township, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, and North Plainfield. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 41. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 123 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York.